Hey everybody, welcome back to the Kitchen Invitation. This is my diet-free cooking channel where I like to teach you simple recipes that don't include any diets, any diet terms. It's just food. So let's get cooking. Today we're gonna be making a very simple lentil and veggie breakfast hash. Now, this is kind of a loose recipe based on things that I like to do typically on the weekend when I have time to make a bigger breakfast, but I just take any vegetables that I have on hand that I need to use up, and I usually try to add some kind of potato to it, whether it's sweet potato, the little potatoes, russet potatoes, anything I've got, and then I add in some lentils, some spices, and we'll go over the rest from there. So let's go ahead and get cooking. First, you're gonna drizzle a little bit of avocado, olive, canola oil into your pan. Next, you're gonna wanna get your potatoes cooking because those are a little bit more dense and they're gonna take longer. Once you've sauteed your potatoes for a couple of minutes, what you're gonna do is add in about 1/4 cup of water to your pan. Be careful as you pour it in. And you're gonna put that lid on and let it simmer there for about 5 to 8 minutes, depending on how big of a chunk of potato you've cooked or you've cut. That way they're gonna finish cooking all the way through with the lid on. So you can add any kind of veggies that you want to this. I think the most important part is trying to get them to be about a uniform shape and size. So I actually do dice all the vegetables so that they all kind of follow a similar pattern, which just makes for easier eating. Other veggies I could have added to this if I had them would be mushrooms, more potatoes, maybe some kind of squash or zucchini, more zucchini, carrots, eggplant. There's so many different veggies out there. So if you've got extra at hand, then time to make a veggie hash. Once those potatoes have cooked for, again, about 5 to 8 minutes in steam, you can move them around a little bit more, but you're gonna add in basically everything else. I like to add in my lentils next. Mix that all together. Next, you're gonna add in all of your vegetables that you've got ready and chopped, ready to go. You're gonna saute the vegetables, lentils, and potatoes for another 5 to 8 minutes until the veggies all seem cooked through. You're gonna add all your seasonings. So first you're gonna add in paprika, salt, and nutritional yeast. If you don't have nutrition yeast, that's fine. It just adds like a cheesy flavor to it. You're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. I add a teaspoon or so of some kind of balsamic vinegar. This is a maple balsamic vinegar. I also like to add a pinch of crushed red pepper flakes and mix that all together. The last thing that I like to add to this as a drizzle on top, as well as eggs, is a ranch dressing, but I mix the ranch with a little extra red wine vinegar. I add some dill to it, fresh or dried, either way. And then I like to add in a little bit of extra garlic powder or a minced garlic clove. We'll go ahead and drizzle that on top. There you have it. It really is that simple. A breakfast veggie and lentil hash. Great for any weekend. I will probably be adding some scrambled eggs to mine. If you make it, be sure to let me know. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a like, subscribe, comment. I'd love to keep seeing you every week in the kitchen cooking with me. Until next time, happy cooking.